Good morning, friends. 13-2 is focused on finding unknown measurements. A lot of heavy on problem solving here, so you're going to definitely have to, if you see names in some of these story problems, fill in your own name or do your best to sound it out. 769, 770. Name on it. And follow along. It says write a question mark for, it says write an equation using a question mark. So you're going to have an equation down here and put in a question mark. It says Philippe's pencil box is 24 centimeters long. Joe's pencil box is 3 centimeters shorter than Philippe's. How long is Joe's pencil box? So you have to use a question mark for your equation. Again, this is just comparing, friends. His is 24 centimeters long. Draw a picture, right? 3 centimeters long. 3 centimeters shorter. So it says Joe's pencil box is 3 centimeters shorter. So his pencil box is 3 shorter. Here's Philippe's is 24, and then you have to go back 3 inches, and you got to figure out question mark. So if you're drawing a picture, it would be 24 inches on the box. Going back 3, and this is his pencil box, so it's 24 centimeters minus 3 is equal to, you got it, question mark. So go ahead and subtract 24 minus 3, write your difference. Number 2, again, sometimes it just helps to draw a picture. Clark threw a red ball and a blue ball. He threw the red ball 17 feet. He threw the blue ball 7 feet further. So here's the red ball. They're both here, right? He threw the red ball 17 feet. Right? He threw the blue ball 7 feet further than this. So they're hanging out here. He threw the ball 17 feet. Then he threw this one. He threw another ball and he threw it 7 feet further. So it's plus 7 there, 7 feet further. And it landed here, and you're like, I don't know where it landed, but this one was 17 feet. And this one landed over here at 7 feet further. So now I've figured out, oh, drawing a picture really helps. So 17 feet for the red ball plus 7 more feet for the blue ball equals 17 plus 7. Draw a picture. Draw a picture. It helps, I'm telling you. Last but not least, at the bottom, after you've added that together, you might want to pause the video and do some computation. Ashley's map shows where animals land and water are at a zoo. Animals, land and water. Animals, land, water. The distance around the map is 38 inches. 8, 11, 8, question mark. What is the missing length? Well, friends, opposite sides of a map are going to be equal. Write your equation. So what would the equation be? We just did perimeter in chapter 1. 13-1. 8 plus 11 plus 8 plus question mark. So what's the question mark? That equals 38. See, this is your equation. 8, 11, 8, question mark equals 38 total because they told us right here. What's the question mark? On the back, pause it, fill that one in. It says a brown puppy is 43 centimeters tall. A spotted puppy is 7 centimeters shorter than the brown puppy. Oh my gosh, then a white puppy is 14 centimeters taller than the brown puppy. How tall is the spotted puppy? Holy shnikes. So you really need to get organized here. So you need to have a brown puppy and a spotted puppy and a white puppy. So now I'm organized. Those are the 3 I need to figure out. So what information do I know? It said a brown puppy is 43 centimeters tall. 43. Great. So far, so good. It said a spotted puppy is 7 centimeters shorter than the brown puppy. So if it's 7, this one right here is spotted. Is 7 smaller than this? Smaller means minus. Now I know this. 43 minus 7. That's the spotted puppy. Regroup. A white puppy is 14 centimeters taller than the brown puppy. So here's my brown puppy. This one's 14 taller, which means plus. Shorter means minus. 43 plus 14. So I didn't even need to find the white, but I was finding it for you because right here it says, how tall is a spotted puppy? Well, I figured it out right here. Think about what you need to find. Well, you don't need to find the white puppy. I did it for you, but you don't need that information in the story problem. So part of the story problems in solving these answers is figuring out what information you need to find the solution. Okay, foot, yard, inch, review. So there's 1 inch is about the thumb length. So there are 12 inches equal 1 foot. And there are 36 inches equals 1 yard. 3 feet equals 1 yard, right? So a paper clip is about 1 blank long. My math book is about 1 blank long, and my baseball bat is about 1 blank long. Foot, yard, inch, filament. Last but not least, down at the bottom, Jack jumped 15 inches. Tyler jumped 1 inch less than Jack and 2 inches more than Randy. Who jumped the furthest? Get organized. Draw a table. Jack, Tyler, Randy. Right, I have Jack, I have Tyler, and I have Randy. Who jumped the furthest and how far did each person jump? Pretty simple. Jack jumped 15 inches. I know Jack. I'm done with 1. Tyler jumped 1 inch less than Jack. Oh, well, Tyler is 15 minus 1. Randy. Tyler jumped 1 inch less than Jack and 2 inches more than Randy. Well, figure out Tyler. Put it up here and subtract 2 from it. That's your Randy answer. And then circle who had the biggest. Because it says right here, it says who jumped the farthest. Great. Kim was 48 inches tall in January. She grew 9 inches during the year. How tall is Kim at the end of the year? She grew 9 inches tall. Is that plus or minus? Ding, 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 ding. Write an equation with a question mark. Unknown is a question mark. So write an equation with a question mark. Put the solution down here. Any questions, come see me. Turn it in.